Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 11 part 7, that is mensuration. In this part we are going to discuss some important formula regarding cuboid, cube and cylinder, and exercise 11.3 from NCERT. Now first, what is the topic in this part we will discuss, that is surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now first of all we will discuss cuboid. What is cuboid? In this part we will discuss the surface area of cuboid and lateral surface area of cuboid. First of all, we have already discussed matchbox is the example of cuboid. So here I am going to draw a cuboid, that is this type of shape is known as cuboid. This is the shape of matchbox also. Now let's suppose this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Now we are going to discuss surface area of cuboid. So first of all, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So there are 6 faces in a cuboid. So the area of lower faces, that is this shape is look like a rectangle. So the area of lower bottom surface is length into breadth. Okay. So here we are going to find total surface area of cuboid. That's mean area of all 6 faces. So first of all, the area of bottom surface is length into breadth. This rectangular shape area has length is L and breadth is B. So this is LB plus the upper face, that is this type of face. This surface, it is also a rectangle having length L as shown in figure, and breadth is B. So this is also length into breadth, that is LB. Similarly, this surface, that is B into H. Okay, so this is BH. So opposite to this surface is already breadth B, this one is B, so this one is also B, and this one is H, so this one is also H, so it is also BH. Now this surface of this cuboid is L into H, so this is LH. So opposite to this surface, it is also L into H. The area of this surface is L into H, because it is L, so it will be L, and it is H, so it will be H. Okay, so this is also LH. So just add this LB plus LB, that is 2LB, plus BH, that is 2BH, plus LH, that is 2HL, you can say. Now total surface area of cuboid is, just take 2 common here, so LB plus BH plus HL. Now this is the formula of total surface area of cuboid, that is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now lateral surface area. What is lateral surface area? Simply the area of all 4 walls. Okay, just leave the bottom surface and upper surface. Okay, so what is left? The 4 walls, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 walls of a room, you can see. So the area of four walls of a room or of a cuboid, simply the formula is 2L plus B into H. Now only two formulas used in this exercise. Total surface area of cuboid, that is 2LBBHHL, and lateral surface area, that means area of four walls of a room of a cuboid, you can say, that is equals to 2L plus B into H. Similarly, cube is given here, so just draw a cube. Cube is a look like cuboid, but one thing is different, that is all sides of cuboid or all edges of cuboid is same. Okay, so let's suppose this is L, this will be also L, and this will be also L. Length, breadth and height both are equal. Now in cube, L equal to B equal to H, L, B and H are equal to each other. Now total surface area of cuboid, simply total surface area of cuboid is 2LBBHHL, so just put the value of B and H equals to L because all the edges are equal. So let's suppose all the edges are L here, so just put the value in total surface area of cuboid. At the place of B and H you can put L. Okay, now so 2LB, so L into L, plus BH you can say L into L, plus HL, that is L into L. Okay, just simplify it. So 2L square plus L square plus L square, this equals to 2, that is 3L square, so it will be 2 3 just 6L square. So total surface area of cube is 6L square. Simply lateral surface area equals to, it is given in cuboid, that is 2L plus B into H. We have to put the value of B and H to the L. Okay, we have to replace B and H to L because all sides are equal. Here I am taking all side equals to L, so just put the value, that is 2L plus B, that is L plus L, into H, that is L. So 2L plus L, that is 2L and L. Now 2 into L, that is 2L into 2L, that is 2 to the 4L square. Now lateral surface area of cube is 4L square. Simply we have to learn this formula. No need to derive, just learn the formula, that is total surface area of cube, that is 6L square, lateral surface area of cube, that is 4L square. Okay, now next, that is cylinder. Cylinder looks like this type of shape. Simply it has two circular faces and upper and lower, and one curved surface. Okay, there are two surface, two circular surface, these two surfaces are circular surface, and the middle one is curved surface. So here we have to find total surface area of this term. So total surface area of cylinder is, the curved surface is, the area of curved surface is equals to 2 pi r h plus the area of circular part. Let's suppose this is r and this is h. Okay, so the area of circular part is pi r square and it will be also pi r square, so it will be 2 pi r square. Now just take common, that is 2 pi r, and here h plus, here 2 pi r I am taking common, that is r is left here, so h plus r. So the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. Simply curved surface area of cylinder. We already know 2 pi r h is curved surface area of cylinder. So middle surface It is curved surface, so it is equals to 2 pi r h. Now there are two formula, total surface area and curved surface area. Simply you have to learn this. Now next, exercise 11.3 from NCERT we are going to discuss. There are question number 1. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of a material to make? Okay. There are two figures are given. First is cuboid where length is 60 centimeter, breadth 40 and height 50. And the next figure is given. This is cube. So the sides are equal, the edges are equal to each other. So the edges is given 50 centimeter. We have to find the total surface area of these two figures, and we have to make sure which box require the lesser amount of material. That means which box has less total surface area. Okay. So first of all, we have to find total surface area of cuboid. So simply TSA, total surface area of cuboid, equals to, the formula is 2lbBh plus HL. Okay. Now length is given 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 and height is 50 centimeter. So just put the value in this formula. So 2L is 60 into B is 40 plus BH. B is 40 and H is 50. So it will be 40 into 50 plus HL. So H is 50 and L is 60. Now just simplify it. So 2, 6, 4 is 24 plus 4, 5 is 20. 2 zeros are there. Plus 5, 6 is 30. 2 zeros are there. Now just simplify it. So 2400 plus 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. So it will be 2000 plus 3000, that is 5000, and 5000 and 2000, that is 7400. So just multiply it. So 00, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14. 14,800 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Now total surface area of cube. This equals to, the formula is 6L square. You know that the total surface area of cube is 6L square, where L is the side of cube. Okay. The side of cube is given 50 centimeter. All sides are equal. So just put the value, that is L equals to 60 centimeter. So 6L square, that is, 50 centimeter, 50 square. Okay. 6 into 50 square, that is 2500. So it will be 00, 6 5 is 30, 0 3 carry, 6 2 is 12, 3 15. 15,000 centimeter square. And what we have to find? We have to find which box require the lesser amount of material. Okay. So total surface area of cuboid has lesser amount of material to required to make. Okay. So cuboid has required material lesser amount. Cuboid has required material in lesser amount. Okay. Now this is the answer. Now question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width 96 centimeter is required to be cover 100 such suitcase? Okay. So what we have to find? We have to find the length of a tarpaulin cloth where 100 suitcase can be covered, and the dimension of one suitcase is given here. This is 80 into 48 into 24. So simply we have to find the total surface area of suitcase. This is the total surface area of one suitcase. So the formula is twice of LB BH plus HL. Now just put the value in this formula. So length is 80 and breadth 48 and height is 24 centimeter. So it will be 2 LB, that is 80 into 48, plus BH, so 48 into 24, plus HL, that is 24 into 80. Now just simplify it. We can get 13824 centimeter square. Now this is the total surface area of one suitcase, that is 13824 centimeter square. Now what we have to find? We have to find total surface area of 100 suitcase. This is equals to 100 into 13824. This is area of one suitcase, so area of 100 suitcase will be 100 into area of one suitcase. So just simplify it. So 13824, here 00, so 2 zeros are there. This is the area of 100 suitcase. Let's suppose the tarpaulin cloth having length L and breadth is B. So area equals to area of tarpaulin cloth which is required to cover is equals to length into breadth. Okay, area of tarpaulin cloth is given here, that is 1382400. This is total area which is required to cover, so area is 1382400 equals to 96 centimeter width is given, so breadth is given 96 centimeter, so L into breadth is 96 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find the length of cloth, length of total cloth which is required to cover the 100 suitcase. Okay, so here we have to find the value of L. Now L equals to 1382400 divided by 96. Now just simplify it, so we can get here 14400 centimeter. Okay, so just convert into meters, so it will be 144 meter. Now the length of a cloth which is required to cover the 100 suitcase is equals to 144 meter. Now this is the answer. Now this is very simple. So the next question, that is question number 3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. Now here the surface area is given 600 centimeters square. Surface area is, that means total surface area. Okay, whenever surface area is given, that's mean total surface area is given. So total surface area of cube equals to 600 centimeter square. It is given. Now we have to find the side of cube. Okay, so the formula of total surface area of a cube is we know that 6L square. L is the side over here. Okay, so total surface area of cube is given here 600 centimeter square. So just put here 600 centimeter square equals to 6, and this is L square. So from this formula we have to find the value of L, that is side of the cube. Okay, so just simplify it. So it will be L square equals to 600 divided by 6. Now it will be cancel out. 6 1 is 6 00. So L square equals to 100. So L equals to under root 100. So L equals to 10 centimeter. Now the side of cube is 10 centimeter. This is the answer, and it's very simple. Just write down the formula and put the value. We can get the answer. Similarly, the next question, that is question number 4. Rukshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measures 1 meter, 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? So simply, cabinet means it's a cuboidal shape of a box. Let's suppose this is a cabinet. This is in the shape of cuboid, where length, breadth and height are given. So length is 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter, and height will be 1.5 meter. Okay. Just write L equals to 1 meter, B equals to 2 meter, and H equals to 1.5 meter. Now, what is given in the question? Rukshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measures this. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? That's mean Rukshar have to paint all the surface area of this cuboidal shape cabinet except bottom. Okay, the bottom area she is not going to paint, so just left the bottom area, and we have to find the total surface area except bottom area. This is bottom surface, so just left this bottom surface. So how can we find? Simply we have to find surface area except bottom surface. So the area of 4 walls of the cabinet is, the formula we know that is 2L plus B into H. Okay, the area of 4 walls of the cabinet. This is also known as lateral surface area, and we know the formula, that is 2L plus B into H. Okay, now what is left? This is upper surface is left here. So upper has length L and breadth is B. L is 1 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So here we have to add the upper area of upper surface, that is L into B. Okay, so this area is the total surface area of this cabinet except bottom surface. Okay, this is the area of 4 walls, and this is the upper surface of the cabinet, this LB. Simply we have to just put the value in this formula, that is 2L plus B, that is 1 meter plus 2 meter, H, that is 1.5 meter, plus LB, L is 1 and B is 2. Okay, so just simplify it. So 2 into 1.5, that is 3, and 1 plus 2, that is 3, plus 1 into 2, that is 2. Now 3 3 is 9 plus 2, so it will be 11 meter square. Now the surface area that Rukshar have to paint, Rukhsar has to paint, that is 11 meter square. Now this is the simple answer. Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 5. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of the cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So simply, let's suppose this is the cuboidal room. Having length is given 15 meter. So length is 15 meter. Breadth is 10 meter. So breadth is 10 meter. Height is 7 meter. So height will be 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. And what area? Simply the walls and ceiling of the cuboidal hall. Okay. First of all, we have to find the area of hall to be painted. That is area of 4 walls, area of the walls and ceiling. So here we have to find the area of 4 walls and area of ceiling. So the area of 4 walls, we know that the lateral surface area of cuboid. So the formula is twice of L plus B into H. Okay. This is the area of 4 walls of the cuboidal hall. Plus area of ceiling. So area of ceiling is length into breadth. Length is given 15 meter and breadth is 10 meter. So LB, area of ceiling. So area of hall to be painted equals to area of 4 walls, that is 2L plus B into H, plus area of ceiling. So area of ceiling is L into B, length into breadth. Now just put the value LBH. So LBH is given here. L equals to 15, B equals to 10 and H equals to 7 meter. So twice L plus B, that is 15 plus 10 and H is 7 meter plus L into B. L is 15 and B is 10. 2 7 is 14. 15 plus 10, that is 25. Plus 15 into 10, that is 150. Now 25 into 14. 25 4 is 100. 0 carry 10. 25 1 is 25. 25 1 is 25 and 10 plus 35 plus 150. This equals to 500 meter square. Now the area of hall to be painted, that is 500 meter square. The next line is given here. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. So how many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So simply number of cans is going to use to paint the all this area, that is 500 meter square, equals to total area, that is 500 meter square, and the area which is painted from one can, that is 100 meter square. So 100 meter square. So it will be cancel out. 0 0 cancel out. So 5 cans are used to paint the surface area of cuboidal hall, that is 4 walls of the room and ceiling. Okay, 5 cans are used to paint this. So this is simply the answer. 5 cans are used to paint this. So these are the complete explanation of up to question number 5. In next video we will discuss the rest of the 5 questions of this exercise. Thank you so much, students.